Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Teachable with AI for student update emails step by step clearly. To configure Teachable with AI for student update emails, start by logging into your Teachable account. Navigate to the Settings section in the left-hand menu. Select the Emails tab to access your email settings. Look for the option to integrate with your preferred AI tool for automation. If your AI tool requires an API key, located in your AI tool settings or dashboard. Copy the API key for later use. Return to the Teachable email settings page. Paste the API key into the appropriate field for your AI integration. Next, configure the specific triggers for student update emails. Common triggers might include course completion, new module releases, or event reminders. Select the desired trigger and customize the email content that will be sent when the trigger occurs. Use the AI Tools features to personalize the email with student names and relevant course information. Ensure the email template is clear, engaging, and informative. Preview the email to check for any formatting issues or errors. Once satisfied, save your changes to the email settings. Next, set up an automation workflow if your AI tool allows it. Define how often you want the updates to go out, such as weekly or after specific milestones. Test your automation by enrolling yourself as a student in a course. Complete the required actions to see if the update emails are sent correctly. Monitor the email performance after a few weeks. Check open rates and student feedback on the updates. Adjust your email content and triggers based on this feedback for continuous improvement. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.